Hello, this is Dr. Mahajan from Pune. I'm a skin specialist and I'm practicing on Tilak Road in front of HP College for the last more than 30 years. I'm here to share my experience of ceramic coating treatment from Pradeep. As a doctor, I always believe prevention is better than cure. With the same thought in mind, I was looking for a good and value for money option of paint protection for my new Kia Seltos. I got to know Samir from Pradeep. I was planning for teflon coating, but when I understood the benefits and features of ceramic coating and the unique offers from Pradeep, I decided to go in for 2-year plan, which included multiple services as well as insurance cover for my ceramic coating treatment. My experience with Pradeep was very good. Not only I liked their professional approach, but also appreciated their personal touch, that they told me how to take care of my car after ceramic coating. They provided me with devices like duster and microfiber cloth for day-to-day cleaning. And not just that, but also served with pickup and drop facility for my car for treatment. So without any hesitation, I would recommend Pradeep for anybody who is looking for the paint protection, filming, restoration, ceramic coating, and so on. Thank you very much. Take care.